Alright, boys and girls, today's lesson is lesson 1-13. We're going to go over some more multiplication using story problems, and then you're going to go on to play some card games with your multiplication division cards. So let's just get started. I'm going to go over the workbook pages. So turn to page, what was that, 59? It says, write an equation to solve the problem. This is kind of stuff that we've been working on, which it should be kind of easy for you. But it says, the garden shop received a shipment of 12 rose bushes. They arranged the rose bushes in 3 rows with the same number of bushes in each row. How many rose bushes were in each row? Well, the problem you're looking at is 12 divided by 3 equals n. Let's do this. Let's do 12 up here, and we're going to divide it by 3. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so how many rose bushes are in each row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it equals 4. So n equals 4 bushes. Okay, next one. It says, Eric saw 4 stop signs on the way to school. Each stop sign had 8 sides. How many sides were on the 4 stop signs? Okay, so if we saw 4 stop signs, so there's one here, so you want, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, each of them had 8 sides. 8, 8, 8, and 8. Okay. So what you're looking at here is a 4 times 8, which equals n. So n would equal, hopefully you know, it's 32. 32 sides. I did in the wrong one. 4. Good, I can still erase it. 4 times 8 equals 32. I'm sorry, n. n equals 32 sides. Okay, next one. Ed needs 14 batteries. If he buys the batteries in packages of 2, how many packages of batteries will he need to buy? Okay, so if he needs 14 batteries, he's going to buy them in packages of 2. So how many packages of batteries will he need? Well, let's draw our 14 here. Going to packages of 2. Okay, so we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So your problem is 14 divided by 2 equals n. n equals 7 packages. And you may find other ways to write it out. That's why I did it, to make it most beneficial to you. Okay. Number 4. A flag has 5 rows of stars with the same number of stars in each row. There are 35 stars in the flag. How many stars are in each row? Okay, so it tells you how many there are. It tells you there's 35 stars total. There's divided by 5 rows equals n. So n equals, the drawing you could do could be many different things. You could draw 35 broken into 5 and see how many are in each. But ultimately it's going to be 7 stars. So I want you to pause it. I want you to work on 5 and 6 on your own, then unpause and we'll go over them together. Alright, number 5. Melia learned in science class that insects have 6 legs. What is the total number of legs on 9 insects? Well, 9 insects times by 6 legs equals n, so n would equal 54 legs. Next one. Stan has 4 model car kits. Each kit comes with 5 tires. How many tires does Stan have altogether? 4 kits times by 5 tires in each kit equals n. So n equals 20 tires. Alright, so let's go to the next page. Same type of stuff on the next page. I want you to work on 7 and 8 on your own, and then unpause it and I'll go over the answers. Alright, so number 7, Maria bought a shoe rack. The shoe rack has 3 rows with places for 6 shoes on each row. How many shoes can be placed on the shoe rack. So the shoe rack has 3 rows times 6 shoes on each row equals n. N would equal 18 shoes. Number 8, the park has 4 swing sets with the same number of swings on each set. There is a total of 16 swings at the park. How many swings are on each swing set? Well, you take 16, you divide it by 4, equals n. So n would equal 4 swings on each set. All right. Okay, number 9 I'll do with you. Amanda has 27 seashells in her collection. She displayed the seashells in 3 rows with the same number of seashells on each row. How many seashells are in each row? Well, it's 27 divided by the 3 rows equals n. I'll do my drawing up here. 27 divided by 1, 2, 3 equals n. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 27. If you count them up, it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n equals 9 seashells. Okay, I want you to work on 10, 11, 12 on your own, and then unpause it, and I'll go over the answers with you. All right, number 10. The art room has 4 round tables. There are 6 chairs around each table. Altogether, how many chairs are around the tables? We have 4 round tables with 6 chairs on each table equals n, so n would equal 24 chairs. Number 11, Shanna is making bead necklaces for the craft fair. She can make 3 necklaces a day. She plans to make 21 necklaces. How many days will it take her to make the necklaces? Well, she's going to make 21 necklaces divided by 3 each day equals how many days? So n would equal 7 days. And number 12, one section on a plane has 9 rows of seats. It's written in word form here, so it's a little bit different. 5 passengers can sit in each row. How many passengers could sit in this section of the plane? Well, it's 9 times 5 passengers equals n. So n equals 45 passengers. All right, so now that we got the workbook pages done, I want you to turn to the next 2 pages, 61 and 62. I want you to find someone else that's done. If more than you and another person are done, you want to play the first game on page 61. With up to 4 of you can play it. And then on 62, actually just go with 2 people. So just grab one person that can play either of these 2 games with your multiplication and division strategy cards.